Hey guys! Today we're at the mall and we're going to Justice to see what they have because we haven't been there in forever. And I have a gift card, so I'm going to try some stuff on and maybe buy some. We're also going to see if they have squishies because my mom said she saw they have new squishies last time she was there. Then we're going to go to Tokyo World after to see if they restocked with new squishies or slime since we were last there. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram. Let's do this.
Do you have any idea what are you looking for?
No, but when I was last here, they had a really cute pineapple shirt I want to try on.
Okay, cool. Flip sequin bathing suit?
Sequin bathing suit. Mermaid.
Today I am a unicorn.
And then mermaid.
The other one says mermaid. Cool, you could choose whatever you want. Or you could do a mermicorn.
Mermicorn. I love this one. This bathing suit. This is so cute, Mommy.
Is it like a terry cloth? So it's like for the beach? It's like a beach cover-up.
Looks like, yeah, it's so...
That is really cute. I like the little palm trees here.
I know.
How much is it? Oh, and it has shorts.
Oh.
Look at this. Justice girls can change the world. Oh my god, look.
We are all beautiful. Oh, this one, the panda and the sloth are so cute.
Look at this. Your battery's low. Panic mode.
Look at this.
Is that the pineapple shirt?
No, it was like a tank top. Oh, look at this. This is so cute. Be unique. I love this.
What do you think of these?
Ooh, that's cute. It looks like something Gabby has.
I think I see squishies. You want to go look at them?
Yes.
Okay, so first we see these yo-yo squeeze bombs. We had a couple that fell apart. Right?
Yes. And they have like the poop stress ball we had.
Oh, cool.
So awesome.
Here we go.
They have jelly slime and mochi squishies. They used to have this slime for like the longest time, and then they got rid of it, and now they have it again.
Here we go, a bunch of squishies here. And the jelly slime is $6.90. Have you ever tried it or had it?
No, I want to.
Ooh, this one looks like almost a watermelon.
You know, the glitter looks so pretty.
Okay, let's look at some of these. These are soft and slow, your regular like series 1s.
Yeah.
Like series 3s. Look at that giant
taco. It's so soft.
It's so giant. How much is it? I bet it's like $16.
Yeah.
It's $18.90.
That's
So you got the big pizza.
This is so soft.
These are super cute. How much are these? These are probably, I think these are cheaper.
Yeah.
$14.90. So not much cheaper, but
Cheaper.
hey Maya, it's our song. Oh, these I haven't seen, or at least this one I haven't seen.
Yeah.
Alright, Maya's gonna pick out a couple of things to try on.
I don't like this jacket. I don't like this jacket so much, but this jumpsuit or whatever you call it is really cute. All right, this is one of the things I'm trying on.
Their shoes are super cute too. Their sandals.
Yes. Look at this. It's pineapple. I want to try one of these on. I think I want to try some of these because they look really comfy, just like for around the house, and they look so cute. It's like my favorite color. I really want to try this, but I don't know a shirt for it.
There's some like greenish shirts here that would match. Or this one.
This one, that one would totally match. All right, this is the first thing I'm gonna try on. This really cute shirt with these shorts. Be right back. Here it is. I love it. So cute and so comfy. I have to get this.
Very cute. Let's see the back. It's kind of open, so you have an undershirt. Really cute.
I love it.
So this one's a winner?
Yes, a winner.
All right. Let's take that off and then let's try the other thing.
Okay. Here it is. I like it. It looks cute, but I think it's too big.
Too big?
Yeah,
Right.
12 would do.
Okay, you want to try the other one that's a 12, and then we'll see how that jumpsuit suits you?
Yeah.
Okay. Yay!
Cute, but it's a little too baggy.
It's a little too baggy, and that's
Yeah.
smaller than the last
12,
one?
yeah.
So I think your first one was a winner. You're going to
Yeah.
get that one? For sure? Awesome. All right, so Maya, you got the outfit?
Yes.
It was like 30 bucks. You excited?
Yes.
Awesome.
We're
We're going to go check out Tokyo World?
Yes.
Let's do it. Tokyo store. We haven't been here forever.
I know.
It gets a little loud in there sometimes, you guys, so forgive us if it's loud. Daddy would love this. That's like My Neighbor Totoro, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Totoro. Daddy loves this. Look at this fan. His birthday's coming up. All the cute things they got here.
Look at her. Come on.
Oh my god, it's a rug. I love it. Those are new. Or at least I don't remember seeing them. So cute. I like this little coin purse here.
Yeah, and then Gudetama's
Oh my
bacon.
god.
The sausage.
Sausage.
Oh, that would be so
There's two
good.
Gudetamas. Is that his girlfriend or his wifey?
Or maybe it's his twin evil brother.
Yeah, maybe. Oh my god, look at the Funko Pop.
Gudetama. No.
I'm surprised they don't have squishies. Gudetama squishies. Or maybe they do.
Yeah.
Hey, they have the So Slime stuff here, Maya.
I'm a big
What's that face about?
Jumbo.
Oh yeah, that's a new one. Did you see the video I did with Jordan? Where we found this one, and then we
Yes.
didn't find the unicorn, but they have the unicorn one. Oh, look, it's so cute. Look at his little face. Hey, look. That's awesome. What's this? Oh, it's like a...
Make your own rainbow.
Oh my god, that's amazing. How much is it? 17 bucks? Not bad.
Not bad.
Then they have this. We saw it Toys R Us recently, and then
Yeah.
these cool ones.
And those
We
are
had
the
these
best.
for our advent calendars,
Yes,
right?
I still have 3 of them
To make?
from Christmas.
That you haven't done? Dude.
I'm gonna do it. It's awesome. Where are those squishies?
Still here? Oh, there we go.
I had none.
Aww.
Just get one. It's so soft.
Hey, there's a pair that you don't even have a pair, and you guessed it in the Guess Link Squishy Challenge. Nice.
Oh,
Got a bunch of stuff. This is a brand new company I've never seen before.
yeah.
It's a bathing animal. I like this little drooling hamburger,
Oh,
cheeseburger.
I know. I want to get it. It's so hard to squish stuff. And then this cat one is so cute.
But they're not hard to squish, they're soft.
Yeah, it's hard to squish though because there's air in the bag.
Super cute. What's in here? What the heck is this, Maya?
The crybaby.
That looks really creepy. It's a baby and a fruit. This is like a tofu, right?
This, all the cat donuts are so soft.
They have so many squishes here, it's ridiculous.
I know.
And they're new from the last time we were here. It's been like months. Oh look, they have more here. Look at these. They're literally bathing animals. Oh my god. And the panda, you can't see it. But look, guys. Look, Maya. Isn't that same eye bloom? Looks like the eye bloom squishy.
That's what I want.
She wants it, but she
Gabby
doesn't.
has it. Gabby has this exact one.
That's awesome.
It's so good.
Look at this one.
I want this lamb one, but jumbo.
These are so awesome.
Okay guys, thanks for watching our video. Let us know in the comments where you've seen new squishy so we can check it out. And give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye!
The great yellow reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin